High protein and low calorie meals to lose weight, these orange chicken rice bowls are incredibly delicious, only 540 calories, and so easy to meal prep for the week. Slice your chicken thighs into cubes, season with black pepper, garlic and ginger paste, red chili flakes, honey, sriracha, fresh orange juice and zest, and soy sauce. If the color doesn't change, it's not well seasoned. Next, add light butter on medium heat and toast your sesame seeds until slightly golden and crisp. Then add minced garlic and cook for 2 minutes until fragrant before adding salt and leftover cooked rice. Give this well combined, then add chopped green onions and sesame seeds. Mix well, then slice all your veggies, then add rice vinegar, red pepper flakes and a drizzle of honey. Give this a good mix, then lay down your chicken thighs on a sheet pan and oven bake or air fry for 20 minutes until golden and juicy just like this. Finally, serve with the rice, the cucumber salad, and your high protein meals are high protein meals to lose weight. These Bang Bang chicken rice bowls are incredibly delicious, only 590 calories, so easy and perfect for meal prep. Slice your chicken thighs into cubes, season with salt, black pepper, garlic and onion powder, smoked paprika, ginger powder, and olive oil. Mix till the color changes. Then, for the Bang Bang sauce, you need light mayo, fat-free yogurt, sweet chili sauce, sriracha, rice vinegar, and fresh parsley. Mix till smooth. Then, lay down your chicken thighs on a sheet pan, add a thin layer of the Bang Bang sauce. Then oven bake or air fry for 25 minutes till golden and crispy just like this. Add a final coating of the juicy and delicious. Then add butter to a pan with chopped garlic and onion. Cook for 5 minutes till soft before adding this extra seasoning with shredded coconut. Mix till fragrant, then add leftover cooked rice with lemon zest and lemon juice. Then give it a final mix until perfectly fluffy just like this. Finally, serve with the Bang Bang chicken and your high protein honey butter chicken Alfredo pasta, all for 630 calories, so creamy and packed with flavor, easy to make and perfect to meal prep for the week. Slice your chicken into small cubes, season with salt, chili flakes, parsley, garlic and onion powder, smoked paprika and olive oil. Mix till the color changes, then cook the chicken on medium heat for 4 minutes each side until golden brown and crispy like this. Then lower the heat, add more butter, drizzle of honey, soy sauce, and fresh parsley for juicy and delicious. Then set the chicken aside. Add lots of garlic and sun-dried tomatoes. Cook this for 3 minutes before adding Italian herbs, salt, low-fat milk, light cream cheese with grated parmesan plus the rind. Keep stirring till completely smooth and slightly thickened, then add your cooked pasta with fresh parsley. Give this a good mix till creamy and indulgent. Finally, your high protein meals are ready to serve.